In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM for your small business. If you're looking to streamline your operations and optimize your sales and marketing efforts, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive into how you can get started with this powerful tool. First off, head over to the HubSpot website and sign up for a free CRM account. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Once your account is up and running, the next step is to import your existing customer data. HubSpot makes this easy by allowing you to manually add individual contacts or use their bulk import feature if you have a larger list. This step ensures that all your essential customer information, like contacts, companies, and deals, is organized in one central location from the get-go. Don't forget the importance of customization. HubSpot allows you to tailor the properties for your contacts and companies, making your CRM uniquely suited to your business needs. Think about the specific information you need to track or any unique data points relevant to your industry. Customization here will pay off in terms of usability. Next, you'll want to set up your sales pipeline, a crucial component for keeping your sales process organized. Start by defining the different stages that your deals will go through, from initial contact all the way to closure. The beauty of HubSpot lies in its flexibility, allowing you to adjust these stages to perfectly align with how your business operates. In addition, automating repetitive tasks and setting up follow-up reminders can greatly streamline your sales process. Consider creating tasks and workflows to handle these duties automatically, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Now let's connect your email and calendar to HubSpot, a key step for seamless communication tracking. By integrating your email account, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another provider, you can track emails right within the CRM. Syncing your calendar will help with scheduling meetings and tracking appointments, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Also, take advantage of HubSpot's email templates and snippets. These tools save time while maintaining consistent communication with your contacts. With the basics in place, it's time to explore HubSpot's robust suite of features. Utilize the contact management tools to effectively organize and segment your contacts. As you track deals through your sales pipeline, keep your eyes on monitoring progress and identifying any potential roadblocks. HubSpot's reporting tools offer valuable insights into key sales metrics. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and drive better results. Moreover, don't overlook the various marketing tools at your disposal, like landing pages, email marketing, and social media management. These can significantly aid in generating leads and nurturing prospects. For delivering exceptional customer service, HubSpot offers tools to manage support tickets and track customer satisfaction. Set up workflows to automate tasks such as email sequences and lead nurturing, which will help improve efficiency and save time. By diligently following these steps, you can effectively set up HubSpot CRM for your small business, leveraging its powerful features to streamline your sales and marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and here's to your business's success with HubSpot.